Hello guys, this video I will show you what's on my iPhone 16 on iOS 16. Just kidding. This is iPhone 10. In Cambodia we call it iPhone X, and it is on iOS 16. iPhone 16 on iOS 16. iPhone 8 model 256. So I see a comment asking what is iOS updater. This one is on iPhone 4, the original Apple app, and it still support. Can install but nothing work. And demo now crash. Is it also not working? Dynamic cow, dynamic island here. Let me show you. But I enable it with jailbreak. It's better. Here I use, we call it visible island. Visible island by here the creator. I use this one instead of dynamic cow. And throw store, you can install anything, side loading, something like that. And nothing, game. Oh, Fortnite no longer available. See, the last 2 years we can log in, and when the game start it crash, so it consider not working. And Animoji, okay, classic. I like pig. Where? Okay, here. See, it's working. Oh, there's no tongue. No tongue. Sorry, but it worked fine. And new iOS. New iOS is iOS 11. Wait, iOS 11 on. Why is it not working anymore? It's supposed to unlock. Okay, unlock now. But the ratio is not correct. Here's the creator. Crash. And this one all iOS. Everything I do here is installed by IPA jailbreak. You can install anything here. Music, song, can be cover flow. No cover flow. Okay, no cover flow. And sleep saver. This one is Apple screensaver. Start rotating. Why took you so long? Okay, so nice. And demo unit no longer available. And need iPhone. This one I showed a video, but how to get it, and now no longer available. Sadly, this app you can see only on Apple Store. But change it to iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 12 mini. There's no purple here. Oh, this one, green, purple is here. And you can compare. And nothing else. in hand portal is just like a focus thing, something like that. And it's nothing, just jailbreak thing and face ID demo. Please remove the passcode. Oh, okay. Had a passcode, so it's not work. And touch ID. Please remove the passcode. All of this IPA. Maybe share IPA if a lot of you ask, a lot of you want. And nothing. This one clean the system. This one is great. Clean the system and everything. Okay, that's it. I jailbreak with dopamine. The great thing about iOS 16 jailbreak, when you have Trollstar on it, you can forever be jailbroken. If you don't want to be jailbreak, just restart. So it will back to normal state. Here's jailbreak. Okay, I set up the action button with the I use squid gesture here. Close. Squid gesture can customize anything you want to enable certain things like I did. Hold on the action. Hold on the volume up. It will turn on flashlight. So you can choose lock screen, can choose everything. Kill background with spring, low power mode and something like that. This is jailbreak stuff. Split view. What is split view? Let's try it. So refresh, respring. So I turn it on, it will become a split view. I don't know what is this too. Let's test it. So let me unlock it and hold on. Nothing happened. Maybe on iPad. It vibrate, but nothing happened. Okay. So change to flashlight. Okay, here. So when you have Throw Store, you just install the jailbreak app here. So it will forever be can use. There is no limited, just forever be jailbroken. If you don't want to be jailbroken, just restart your phone. It will back to normal. If you want to jailbreak again, go into dopamine, click jailbreak, and you in a jailbreak state again. iOS 14 and 13 is the peak of jailbreak. You have a lot of tweaks, but on iOS 16, not many tweaks available, but it's easier to jailbreak. You can sideload everything. You can see I sideload a lot of things here. So that's it. That is what on my iPhone X with customized iPhone 16. The service work here. Let me call.
Press 2 for English. 中文
Then I'm gonna pop up. When you not use, it will be gone. Service is work. Everything is working. Thank you for watching.